Hey everybody, today I'm taking a look at this lithium iron phosphate battery. What's cool about this battery here is it's going to be a really good replacement for a lot of different lead acid batteries. Major advantages to this are that you're going to have a lot more energy capacity. You're also going to have a much lighter battery that you're going to get in this little setup here. You can see I can carry this very easily in my hand, no problems. The other thing that's really nice is you get, in addition to the battery, this full color user manual here. And what I like about this is it's going to give you a lot of instructions here about the battery, some specifications, and then also some diagrams there on how to set the battery up in series or in parallel. You can see here that this is a 20 amp hour battery. So this is going to be great for a lot of different setups. You could use this in your RVs. If you have solar panels, things like that, this is going to be great for charging those. You can also use this to replace the batteries, maybe in a battery backup, things like that, lead acid batteries. The other cool feature of this battery itself is that it is going to be able to mimic a deep cycle battery. So these are the type that you would use on a boat or things like that, where you can drain them all the way down to basically empty and charge them back up without damaging the battery. That's something you can't do with a lead acid battery. So let's get a closer look at this, get a little closer look at the terminals, the battery itself, talk about more about the specifications. So here's a closer look at the battery itself. What's really nice is that with this 20 amp hour battery, it's only going to weigh about 2.5 kilograms. You can see here, we got the scale out. When we put this on here, we are at 2437. So that's pretty light for such a large capacity battery. And as a comparison, here's a lead acid battery that's only 9 amp hours. So when you put this on, we're at 2477. So you can see here the main difference between these is going to be weight. So you can get a lot more capacity or a lot less weight with this lithium iron phosphate battery. The other thing I think is really cool about this is that you are going to get really good voltage rating out of this. So you can see here, we'll turn this little multimeter on, and you can see when we hook this up to the negative and the positive, you're going to get about 13.8 volts. So this is a charged battery. Now what's cool, again, you're going to be able to use this in all different kinds of applications. With it being lightweight, high capacity, this is going to be really excellent for any kind of like RVs, things like that, or solar panel installations, maybe that you have outside. So you could definitely use this in parallel or series. And the instruction booklet here does give you instructions on how best to set it up. You can see here the terminals are also a screw mount type, which is nice because you're not going to have to worry about these coming loose or anything like that. So overall, this is going to be a great battery and a great addition to any kind of solar setup or any kind of power banking that you need to do.